Hey guys, welcome back once again to our YouTube channel Ships and Port, where we tell you regarding the shipping information in day-to-day maritime business. Today we will discuss regarding the recent development in the China's navy and arming. Recently, China has launched a new aircraft carrier named Fujian. Fujian is the third most advanced carrier. It is powerful and a very advanced carrier till the date. Fujian is 80,000 ton craft carrier. It has new combat system such as catapult assisted launching system. This aircraft carrier will launch the craft very quickly and with more ammunition. This development will make pressure on the rival regarding to territorial disputes of China and ruling the other areas of the nearby countries. I hope you have got some information regarding this new aircraft carrier named Fujian. If you like this information, do share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.